Hey guys, it's Serena. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a really pretty look using the Subculture palette by ABH and a whole bunch of other new products. Basically, this is a video about a whole bunch of new products that I've gotten recently, and I'm going to be putting them all on my face. Obviously, these aren't new products that just came out on the market, but they are new to me, so I'm making this video whether you like it or not. But yeah, you guys will hear my opinion on this palette along with a whole bunch of other things that I tried out in this video, whether they were a hit or a miss. That's tea, sis. That's tea. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, all of that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post a video. And also follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. All of them will be down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. Also, you guys, I have a broken nail. I know they lasted for a good 2 weeks though. I give them that. I give them that. But I'm getting it fixed soon, so I don't want to hear shit. I don't want to hear shit. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's just get on with the video. Alright guys, so I know I look batshit crazy, and sorry if you can hear the air conditioning. It's literally 106 right now, and it's so fucking hot outside, and I already have these lights, so bitch, if you can hear my air, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. The first thing I'm going to be trying out is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Now, I know this has been raved about in many ways, negative and positive, but today we are going to find out the real tea from Sister Serena. Oh, but yeah, my eyebrows are already done. My face is already primed. I just primed my face with the Fenty face primer. Used it before, super good. But I just like to prime my face and do my brows first. So now dipping into the eyeshadow, I don't know what kind of look I want to do, but I kind of want to start off with something, I don't know. I kind of want to use the cool colors to really test it out, but I think I'm going to start off with the color Fudge in the palette, just so I can really get the true tea on the brown shade. So this one right here, Fudge, I'm just going to take it in my crease with a ColourPop E2 blending brush, and we'll see the real tea, sis. We'll see. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in my, I'm going to take off the sticker on the palette because, oh my gosh, you guys, I need my nails done so bad. I think I'm gonna go tomorrow and get them done. Literally, they all stayed on for 2 weeks, so I'm so proud of that, especially through BeautyCon. But that's like the longest my nails have stayed on, so thank the Lord. But yeah, just this one came off, so I'm just gonna go get a fill. But I'm just dipping into Fudge and just dipping into it already. It does have so much fallout. I don't know if you guys can tell. There's a lot of fallout right there, but obviously I already knew that with buying it because of all the reviews already. But now I'm gonna test it for myself, so let's just see. Oh shit, this is pigmented. You guys, what did I do? Oh my gosh. Okay, Fudge is dark as hell. It looks lighter in the pan, but it comes off as a really like cool tone brown, so you're really gonna want to blend this out. It's blending pretty good. I mean, it's not very like, it's not skipping or anything. It's blending pretty good to me. It's just that, let me just zoom in for you guys so you guys can really see the real tea. It's not looking chalky, it's just looking really cool tone. I'm not used to putting cool tone colors on my eyes at all, let alone in my crease. So this is gonna be just the base color for now. So just keep on blending. So I'm just gonna take a more fluffier brush, blend this shit out just so it's not too harsh, even though we kind of already went there. Okay, so that base color is on. Now I'm going to be taking, I don't even know. I kind of just want to take Axis. Let me get a brush. Let me get the right brush. Hold on. I'm going to be taking Axis, which is this really cool like blue shade right here. And I'm going to take that and make a, I kind of want to do a half cut crease today, as I always do. So I'm just going to put that on the outer edges of my eye. Oh my gosh, you guys, this palette is freaking pigmented. Like, this is no joke pigmentation. Like, OMG. Bro, it's blending pretty nicely into the shade Fudge, which is pretty good. It looks crazy right now, probably on camera, but in person, this shit blend in. Oh, okay, that's pretty cute for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna deepen my crease a little bit more and take the shade Rowdy. It's like this really pretty, deep purple shade at the very end, and put that on the very outer corners. Okay, so I think my eyeshadow is pretty blended. Now I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as usual. I'm just going to skip this part just because I do it all the time and just cut my crease halfway. Okay, so now that I cut the crease halfway, I'm going to be taking my NYX Glitter Primer. This stuff really works well for glitter, adhesive, and also any kind of shimmery eyeshadow of that sort. But I'm just going to be taking this, putting it on my lid where I cut the crease. And then I'm just going to be taking the shade Adorn right here from the palette. This gold shade right here, putting that on my lid after I prime my eyes. Okay, so now that I have the creases cut and the gold shadow on, I'm going to be taking this purple shade once again because it kind of did get a little bit lost when I cut my crease halfway. So I'm taking Rowdy one more time and putting that on the outer edges of my shadow just to blend in the harsh line right there. I'm just taking the same ABH brush that I used earlier. And just a heads up, you guys, it is kind of difficult to blend out the outer edges when you do use the NYX Glitter Primer because it is meant to adhere glitter. So it's kind of hard to blend out the outer edges, but I've done this before with other shadows and it did the same exact thing. So it's not the palette, it's just the glitter primer. So just, if it's not blending, use patting motions. That's what I would suggest. But yeah, other than that, just be aware of using the glitter primer because it will be difficult to blend out the outer edge of the shadow. If you don't want to use the glitter primer, you can always use rose water or just plain sink water to put on the gold shadow. You don't need the primer. I was just trying to be extra, but it backfired, so don't do what I did. Alright guys, this is how the eyeshadow turned out. I really absolutely love it. It's super different and super pretty, so I love how it turned out. Now I'm just probably going to add some winged liner because you guys know I can't live without winged liner, and then just move on to my face. So I will be right back with you guys. Alright y'all, so I just finished up doing my winged liner. And then I put on my foundation. So all the products will be listed down below if you guys are wondering what I used, but I'm just going to be skipping to the product that I've never tried before. That'll make more sense, obviously. But I'm so excited to use this. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It's supposed to be super full coverage. I've tried the last Born This Way concealer and I love it, so I'm hoping I love this one too, especially since it'll be more full coverage than the last one. But it comes with so much, literally double or more of the size of the other Born This Way. I have it somewhere in here. Oh, right here. Literally. The smaller one comes with 7 milliliters and the bigger one comes with 15. So more than half, you guys. It's super much bigger than the other one. But mine is in the shade Butterscotch, so I'm just going to be concealing my under eyes, nose, forehead, and upper lip. And you guys know the drill. I blend it out with a beauty sponge, but today I'm trying out a new one. This is the Morphe beauty sponge. I've never tried this one before, but I have it all damp right here, so I'm just going to be blending out my concealer with this. And yeah, I'm super excited. Ooh, we love her. We love her. Oh my gosh, you guys, this concealer is really full coverage. I'm not even gonna lie. It's not as full coverage as the Shape Tape, but it is super, it's not drying yet, so we'll see how it lasts. But this is just my initial first impression, not really a review. If you guys want me to do a review on it, let me know, but so far so good. Now I'm just gonna set it with some setting powder. This is just the butterscotch one from Sacha, and yeah, or butterscotch, buttercup. As for the Morphe sponge, it is really good. It's just not my favorite though because it's not as soft as the Beauty Blender to me. It's kind of more dense and it kind of like hurts to like pound it a little bit, but it is pretty nice. It's just not as soft as the Beauty Blender, and it is a little bit big for my liking, so I'm gonna have to stick with my Beauty Blender. I'm sorry, Morphe. I'm sorry. Alright guys, so I've been gone for a little minute or whatever, but last time I talked to you guys I was blending out my concealer and I set it with the Sacha buttercup powder, and then after that I just bronzed up my face and put on blush. Again, all products will be listed down below. And then after that I was just like, let me just move on to my eyes to get this portion done so I can skip on to the other new products. But I just put on some base lashes in Blossy, put on some lower lash mascara, and I put the Ebony Dip Brow by ABH in my waterline just to deepen it up a bit. And then on my lower lash line, I just put a little tiny bit of fudge from the palette. Since it was really dark, I put a tiny bit. And then I blended it out with my bronzer from Too Faced to make it a little bit lighter towards the bottom. And then I just put the shade, what is this one? Electric. Right there, and I wet my brush and put it in the inner corners. But that's just about what I did to my face, and I just put on some brow gel and stuff. But all those products are things I've used before, and I just used the same palette on my lower lash line with mascara. But yeah, so everything else is on. I just need to add some highlight and lips. So for highlight today, I've never used this product, but it is the Becca highlighter. I actually got this at BeautyCon from Becca, so shout out to you guys. This is in the shade Rose Gold, and it's super duper pretty, you guys. I love this shade. I got to pick out which one I wanted, but oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cute, so shiny. And I'm just gonna take this. Oh, and also I use the Morphe sponge and to carve out my cheekbones, and it works really well for that. I'm probably not going to use this anymore to blend out my under eye concealer, but I will use it to carve out my contour and blush because it works really well for that. Just a heads up, but I'm rambling too much. I'm just going to take this highlighter, put it on, and let's see the real tea, sis. Okay, so I'm using my Morphe M510 brush. I'm going to spray it a little bit with some rose water. Ooh, I love her. Yeah, this highlight is a bop, you guys. I really like it. It's not too shiny, but it's just like, it's perf. And this look is a little bit more on the silvery side instead of rose gold, so I'm just going to take the Amrezy highlighter and just top it off. Okay, and sorry if you guys hear talking in the background. My mom just got home and she's always on the phone, so. Okay, so now for lips, I'm probably just going to do the same lip combo I usually do. Just a nude glossy lip because I don't really have any new lip products, but I will just do my lip and then get back to you guys for my setting spray and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so now for my setting spray, I'm going to take the Morphe setting spray. I've used this a couple times before and I really do like it, but it is a new product for me, so I'm just going to use this and I will be done with the look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love it, absolutely. I just took off my little hair thingy and then did my hair, and it look like this now. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole tutorial, like kind of tutorial, not really, kind of showing you new products I got, whatever you want to call it. So my thoughts on the products: the Subculture palette is a hit for me pretty much. I know it was very controversial when it first came out, but the colors are very, very pigmented, I would say. The only thing I don't really like about this palette is the fallout in the actual pans. You only need to tap in it like once or twice. Don't like swirl your brush in it or anything. Tapping motions is fine, but overall I really like this palette. It sits very well on my eyes, and I don't normally do cool tone shadows because they kind of look weird on me sometimes, but this palette looks pretty nice and I give it a hit. I give it a hit. As for the Morphe sponge, I really like that one. I won't be using it underneath my eyes for concealer or anything anymore. Just mostly to cut out my cheekbones and stuff. I love the highlighter. The concealer by Too Faced, that was a bop. I loved that. And yeah, I think that's everything mostly that I tried out. I love the Morphe setting spray as well. Mostly everything in this video was a hit, so I'm really happy. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post a video. And also follow me on all my social media sites, you know the drill or whatever. They will be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. So if you don't follow me, we're gonna have some issues. we're gonna have some issues, sis. I love you all so much, and I love how this look turned out. Oh my gosh. And I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye guys. Got a big ego. Ew, I look crazy. Whatever. Ew. Okay. Oh.
You keep doing me how you want. You just might end up all alone. But be careful and watch your tongue. I know it's bitches in your phone.